Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your AirPods are stuck on a white light like this. So maybe it's blinking white, maybe it's just, standard stuck on a white light. Well, why this happens is pretty much your AirPods are in finding mode. So essentially, your AirPods are not connected to another set of AirPods right now. So what you want to do, and what I would recommend doing, is first putting all your AirPods back in your case as you normally would, and you want to shut the case. Now, when you do that, you will see that the case will go ahead and snap out of the blinking white light. And all you have to do is go ahead and open the case back up. And then most of the time this will end up fixing it. As you can see, I have a standard white light or green light on it now, which means it's connected. So if it's stuck on a blinking white light, that is pretty much the easiest way to fix it. Now, the reason why a white light might show up in the first place is because on the back, there's this button back here. And if you hold down this button while the case lid is open, possibly even if the case lid is shut, that can actually, kind of make your case and your AirPods go to pairing mode rather than regular mode. So you can see the AirPods casing work. So if I go and open it, you can see it's a blinking white light. So all you need to do is shut the case and you should be connected. Now, if you don't want to do that, or if you're not even connected to a set of AirPods, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and bring your iPhone close to your set of AirPods like this, and they should pretty much snap into a pairing mode like it just did. Now, when you do that, all you want to do is go and click connect, and you should be able to connect straight to your AirPods, and that's really all you have to do. And as soon as you're set up like this, your AirPods are connected. So that's pretty much how to do it. It's the easiest way to fix that. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.